Okay. All right. I'm putting cases on all you bitches. Huh? You think you can do this shit? Jay! You think you can do this to me?
Alright, so it's gonna be the very first time I ever get to wash the engine bay. Just something simple, gunk, engine cleaner, foamy, just the basics, whatever. It's like $8. But finally found a bolt. I had to go a little thinner. It was super weird. It looks like they tried to fix it before or something, I don't know. But like once it got like halfway on the original bolt, I don't even know where I put it. I probably put it back somewhere, but it didn't want to go in, so I had to go to Ace, and I spent like half an hour looking for a bolt. And basically this one's a tad bit thinner, but it has like a different threading, kind of like those. Alright, so battery's out, alternator is covered because it does have a bunch of pockets in it. Obviously if you soak up the engine, you're gonna mess that up. And so I'm just gonna foam this whole thing up, get it prepped up, put all this away. Just to break it down, take up all the dirt and everything, and then I'm gonna hose the whole thing down. And if you're someone who feels strange about this, don't watch it. Same for you, bro. Car lovers. If you know what you're doing, it's safe. If you don't know what you're doing, don't do it. Someone else do it. She wanna fuck, I'm nose. Taking it down, make sure I'm listening. Checking it out, adios. Stacking the bread, loud the door. Hold the wrist. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna let it sit for a while. Got my pants up. Think I need a brand show. We keep it lit. I can't let these niggas miss. Alright, so it's about 10 minutes later. Think you might get stitched. I know why they didn't know me, so I switched spots. Not running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. I've been ballin' since a youngin', so I take shots. She just wanna fuck me cause she know I get guac. Jackpot, you a mascot. I want big rocks on my wristwatch. I know why they didn't know me, so I switched spots. Never running out of fish, so fuck a pit stop. Hold up, speed in the whip, got rolled up. 32 G's in the ziplock. Hold up, now I'm talking shit. Saw me walk to the whip. Every night get lit. Me and Uno for the hit. Driven to deep left field and caught. Bada boom, bada bing. Bout cash, bout bling. Go ahead, make it ring, 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 ring. Told the thought he bring a thing. Trying to get every square inch I can. I know I'm not gonna get everything 100%, but it's better to try than just to shoot blind. You don't know the meaning, get on the bag, go do the math, split it up until it's even. I spaz on the beef for no reason, tripping out, walking on water like Jesus. Let him know it's no season. Still got a bunch of the can left, about a third left. Should I figure something out for this air box? I don't know if I'm gonna leave it OEM or swap the whole out. Okay, trench. That's the whole point, right? Can's about to end. The gas is out. Alright. About to back up. This thing is foaming everywhere. It's like mist flying up everywhere. So it's about, I don't know, like a 20%, 15% for the can. Basically dumped the whole can in there. Still need the clear coat for the headlights. Coming in tomorrow.
should be good by now. Just wash up any spot missed. Alright, that should be cool. So it's already looking way better. And this is without scrubbing the engine. A lot of people like to put the foam on it and scrub it. You could tell it worked its magic. Engine looking way cleaner. Looks good on video, but even better in person, to be honest. You see the shine on the metal now? So it's looking good. I'm just gonna close the hood right now and then let it dry up for about an hour or so. Be on the safe side. Alright, feeling a bit OCD. I have to clean this up. It's still gonna be in the bottom of the battery, but I just don't want extreme excess of mud. But I focus so much on what I'm doing when I'm recording that I don't even know what the hell I'm recording. Like, I know what I'm recording, but I'm saying, like, the angle, I don't know, bro. I don't even look at the screen when I'm doing shit. Alright. Made a minor difference, but I just didn't want the huge puddle of water making a big old pile of mud to eventually turn to dirt, so. Alright, I should be fine. Alright. Come back to it and we'll see how she looks. Alright. She's looking pretty good. Been about 3 hours letting it dry. Not too bad. But for now, this will do. But in the future, I'll probably get a detailer to do the rest. But not bad, not bad. Now we're gonna start her up. Sounding really good though. Couple pops here and there because the cat back the lead, but we'll be getting the whole exhaust soon. I know there's people in the comments saying this car's too loud, but we'll fix that. And check this out. A little pool of water right there. We should be alright. It'll fall out with a quick drill drive. Alright. Now it's time for a little clear coat. I should have waited to put the weather guards after the clear coat, but it is what it is. I'm going to be using this 2X. I love this Rust-Oleum stuff. Been using it for everything. I painted the rims with this. And this way I can coat them pretty easy. And that's for protection. We got, it's like a double filter. There's a filter on the inside. You can't see it because it's covered because it's already screwed on, but there's a filter in this thing. And then the outside filter for dual, more like quad, and then the goggles, you don't want the mist hitting your eyes. So we're gonna spray down the headlights with the first coat, and then depending how it gets, we'll probably put another 2 or 3 coats and just take it from there. A quick little light coat, see how it turns out, and then we'll see if we have to put it thicker in the second one, or just keep putting 10 coats. Hands already shaking up, so one last look before I spray it again. They look pretty good already, but we don't sell it. We don't sell. What do you say? You don't settle for less. You settle for more.
So, something light, not too heavy. I was gonna take off the rubber garment, but I was like, I want it permanent, and it looks way better with the clear coat. You'll see at the end, the gloss is gonna be on everything. So, let these dry up real quick, and then we'll see if it needs a third.
Alright, so I'm just gonna leave all the tools here. I'm gonna leave the lights here for a bit. I'm gonna give it about 20 minutes this time. After the first coat, I waited 10 minutes because it was already pretty rough, so it drank all the clear. It was already dry by 10 minutes. So if you're gonna do another coat, I recommend you wait longer. And if it ain't this rough, you will have to sand it in between coats. But since they felt really rough and they're looking pretty good already with the 2 coats, I feel like no sanding will be needed, to be honest. You can still see the shine through the tent. Damn. So yeah, we'll wait 20 minutes to be on the safe side, completely dry, and then we'll hit it with the third for sure.
Alright, so now we're ready for the third coat. Depending how this comes out, this could be the final coat. But it looks pretty sick. I don't know if it's catching that on camera, but god damn. Alright, let's kill this thing. One more coat. That should be way more than enough. I'm gonna let it sit. Got a little hazy because I did drench it, so I'm gonna let it sit. This will be the final one. I did do it pretty heavy, so can give it some privacy. Let it dry up.
I run shit here. You just live here. Yeah, that's right. You better walk away. Go and walk away, because I'm going to burn this motherfucker down. King Kong ain't got shit on me.